I'm Bill. I have what it takes to run a TCBY. Well, I'm not some goofball off the street. And I'm not some big hot dog that's gonna boast about all his past accomplishments. I have plenty of experience in the field.
Well, howdy! Welcome to Burger Roundup. Can I take your order?
I've never ever been fired.
Fired, cowboy. F-I-R-E-D.
Now what am I supposed to do?
Why don't you just go jump out of an airplane?
I could jump out of airplanes, but I'd much rather run a TCBY. TCBY because we'd love to. Please give us this chance.